Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with my Tinkercad State Sharing project. Friends, I've got another state. Louisiana was shared with me. Check it out. It might even have special colors. How cool is that? Now, friends, if we zoom out, you can see I'm down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 states remaining. Friends, it is so easy for you to help me out. There will be a link below this post, but you can also simply visit HLModTech.com, click on my 50 states project. I've done all the work for you. All you need to do is click copy and tinker. If you've never signed in before, just sign in with Google. Then click on the state and change it to your state. You scroll down, you find it, and bingo, you can help me solve my project. If you want to change the color, you may. If you zoom in, there is a little star. You can nudge that to where you live if you want to, and you can also share a note with me. That's it. When you're done, click on the collaborate button, generate a link, copy that link, and then you can reach out and share it with me on any of my social platforms. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Friends, we are so close to having all 50 states shared with me. I do want to say thanks again to SarahCath for shooting me Louisiana. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.